fellow jewelers, I'm so excited. I'm excited. So I have been totally inspired by Pinterest. I have seen this necklace and this jewelry piece and this jewelry piece. I have seen these jewelry pieces on Pinterest and did not know I could make it for myself, make my own creation. I was like, oh, that's pretty. Oh, I don't want to buy it, but I think it's pretty. But then, my fellow jewelers, PandaHall Selected contacted me and they said, hey, how about you pick out some free stuff, some free product, and then we'll send it to you. You can make a jewelry video. I was like, heck yes. And so I went to their website because their website's awesome. Went to their website and I found these links. Oh my goodness, I found these links and I was so excited because I didn't know they had these links available that I can make a jewelry piece. And so today we are not only doing one jewelry piece, not just two jewelry pieces, but three jewelry pieces. We are making 3 jewelry pieces. I've never done that before on my jewelry channel. So we're making a necklace, a bracelet, and earrings. You ready? Boom! Oh my. There goes the earrings, but I'll be sure to show them to you later. But look at this. Oh my goodness, this necklace, super cute. I love the style. I love kind of mixing up, putting a little brown in there. I love the bracelet. Oh my goodness, look at this. And then the earrings, they're on the floor. I'll show it to you at the end of the video. Anyway, I am super excited. And so PandaHall Selected, love them, love them, love them. Go check out their website. It's in the description below. I'm gonna put some links also for what things I have been using in this video today. And I just love it. But before I show you how to do this, before I show you how to make this chic and easy jewelry piece, which is totally my jam, make sure you subscribe my channel and click that bell to get notifications because I'm all about the how-tos of jewelry making, apparently dropping jewelry as well. So let's get started, right? So you and me, let's get started. Okay, I'm excited to make this necklace, earring, bracelet set with these acrylic links. Oh my goodness, so excited. Now, if you want to know the material list, all the things I use and the numbers I use and the measurement I use, as well as my tools and even where to get some of the same things that I have for this jewelry set, you can look in the description below and it has all that for you. It has everything. I have laid it out for you. So no need to worry, I got your back. So I want to make the necklace first. Now these links, I'm just blown away that you can buy these links and make your own creation. It's so cool. So I have the slit. They have slits on each one of them. So a slit and then everyone has a slit. And so what you're going to do is you're going to match up the slits together. So you're going to squeeze them together. Now I have become obsessed with making sure that the slits are only on one side. And so that you can't see the slit. It's kind of like a coin, right? On one side of the coin, you can see the slit. On the other side of the coin, you can't see the slit. So I've been super obsessed trying to make all my creations so you can only see the slit on one side. And so sometimes I get it right, sometimes I get it wrong, but you can undo it and then try to redo it. So if you want to be as obsessed with it as I am. So then I got to turn this around, right? I got to grab my other link and put them together and make sure that the slits are not showing, that when they are laid in the way they should, that I don't see any of the slits. Okay, I'm doing pretty good actually. I've done this before I made this video and I was having a hard time with the way the slits should be. So again, putting the slits together and just going in like that. Now I got all these right. That was very lucky of me. But if I got it wrong, what I would do is I would pull them apart, and sometimes it's easy and sometimes it's hard. I pull them apart and see I had them facing this way. I would flip it over and do it the other way. If you want to make sure that the slits are just showing on one side. And so it's just like a coin. There's one side of the coin, there's another side of the coin, and you just flip it over. But in this case, I got it right. So I'm pretty excited. And so you just continue to do that until you make your necklace. And so I've already made my necklace, right? I've already done the hard work because who wants to see me put all these links together? Not me. I put this all together and I'm going to add this piece on and see if I get this right. So isn't it cute? I love that I can mix up colors. I love that I could just do one color or a couple colors. And then I am going to put this slit on. And there we have the majority of our necklace. Now we have to make it doable by putting the chain and the lobster clasp on. Now, I ordered this lobster clasp from PandaHall Selected. I think they're super cute. It is big. It is a lot bigger than maybe I would use. I would probably use like a size like this, but I just think it's cute. Why not add it to the necklace? I'm adding chain on the back. You could totally make the necklace all the way around, but I think the chain kind of makes it pop a little, kind of gives it a little change up. And so I like adding the chain. Now, in order to put the chain on and the lobster clasp on, I need to have really big jump rings. And so I have jump rings to put on. So I'm gonna put the jump ring on. When you're putting the jump ring on, you don't wanna put the jump ring on the slit part. You want to make sure that the slit part is tucked away, and then you put it in the dip that it doesn't have the slip part, the slit part. So I'm gonna open my jump ring. I'm gonna open this puppy up. Gonna open it up. If you've never used a jump ring, I've done a tutorial on it. Go ahead and check that out. And I'm gonna put it where the slit's not. And then I'm going to put chain, and I'm gonna close it up. Oh, that's so cute. I love how the chain just goes with it so well. I'm gonna close it up, making sure when I close up my jump ring, I have no gap. If you have a gap, your jewelry piece will fall apart. Okay, so there's one side. And I'm just gonna do the exact same thing on the other side, and then I will show you the next steps. So go ahead and do it to the other side. Go ahead and connect the chain and your jump ring to this side. Okay, so I've added my jump ring and my chain and my jump ring all together. And I'm gonna cut down the middle. Now you can already cut down the middle and do it that way, but I tend to do the cutting down the middle first or last. And so I'm gonna make sure that it's pretty even because it's an adjustable necklace, because I can put this lobster clasp on any of the links. It doesn't matter how, if it's too centered. It's nice to have the lobster clasp on the shorter side. And so I think I will make it just a bit not centered. And I'm gonna cut my link. Okay, I cut my link. And now it's time to put my lobster clasp on. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna grab my jump ring again, open it up, put my lobster clasp on, and then put my chain on, and then close up my lobster clasp. And there, my fellow jewelers, you have your necklace, right? So we have our necklace part. Oh, it's so cute. A little oogly and googly at it. Yes, yes, so cute. Let's put this to the side, okay? So now that you know how to put the links together, I showed you, let's do the bracelet. Now the bracelet, I'm making a little bit adjustable. I'm using the same chain as I did for the necklace. I'm making it just slightly adjustable. And so I am going to put a smaller lobster clasp on, and I'm going to put the chain on. And so, ooh, look at that. It looks so cute. And so now we're going to, this is about 13 links. And now I'm going to put my chain on to make this bracelet a little bit adjustable, just a little bit, slightly adjustable. And then I'm going to close up my jump ring. And there we have that side. Now let's put the lobster clasp on. Remember, when you're putting the lobster clasp on these links, make sure you put it on the side that does not have the slit. You can turn it around and make sure the slit side is not where you're putting your jump ring, because I just feel like the jump ring could possibly slide through that slit, and then it would, your jewelry piece would fall apart. So I got my lobster clasp, my jump ring, and my link. And then I'm going to, oh, that was messed up. I messed that up. It's all right. Mess ups are part of life, y'all. And there you have your bracelet. Oh my goodness. This thing is easy. This is so easy. Oh my goodness. And look how cute that is. Look how cute we're gonna be. Oh my goodness. I like it. I didn't like it, and now I really like it. I didn't know about the link part. I'm not a plastic girl, and so I wasn't really sure about this, but I really like it. And now let's make the earrings, okay? Let's make the earrings. It's super easy. And so you're going to put 3 links together. I mean, you could do 2 links. I've seen 1 link. I've seen 4 links. But for this particular earring, I am doing 3 links because I like how I have the teal, brown teal. I just like that pattern. And you're going to grab your jump ring. You're going to open it up. Mine's already open. And then we're going to put our jump ring on. putting our jump ring on, and then putting our shepherd's hook or whatever you do to hook it into your ear. It could be a clip-on that Michael's has. It could be another kind, but I'm using a shepherd's hook. Okay, and we're closing up our jump ring. This jump ring is really tough. It's really, really tough. It's a hard one. Some of them are stiff, especially the bigger ones. And so there you have your earring. Isn't that so cute? Oh my goodness. It's so cute. I've already made another one because I'm like, they don't want me to watch me make it twice. And so I've made earring. We made a bracelet. Oh, so cute. We made a bracelet. And then we made a necklace. I mean, we are just killing it today. Look at this stuff. So there we have, it's so cute, and I actually really love it. Well, chic and easy. Is that not for real? This is so easy, but it's super cute, and I love the Pinterest inspired goodness of it all. I mean, look at this thing. And look at these things, and oh, it is so cute. And you can make your own color like combination, and you can change it. I mean, there's so many options for these acrylic links. I just think they're amazing. So anyway, I hope you like it as much as I do, or like it at all. Please, no, I know you like it. I know you like it. What am I on? I promise I didn't have any caffeine today. I don't drink caffeine, but if I did, I didn't have any today. I am just super happy, super excited. I had COVID and I'm over COVID, so I'm feeling a lot more energetic. Anyway, I'd love for you to comment, share, like. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Love for you to share. Love for you to give me a big old thumbs up. Anyway, that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much, PandaHall Selected, for contacting me and sending me these fabulous, fabulous jewelry making supplies. I love it so much. But before I get started, I've already been started. I mean, before I go, oh my goodness, I am on one today. This is kind of, anyway, before I go, you know I love praying for my viewers. And so I was asking God, what do you want me to pray for my viewers? And he just, oh my goodness, I felt like he just kind of pulled me in closer. And he goes, I want my daughters to know my love for them, that he loves you. He is such a good father. I don't know if you had a really horrible father or a good father, but he is nothing compared to the father you had if your father was horrible, and he's way better than if you had a good father. I mean, there's no one can compare to God. And he wants you to know his father's love for you. He loves you. He wants to just hold you close in his arms and just pour his love over you. And so daughters, he loves you. He loves you so much that you are loved by the King. You are loved by the creator of the universe. And it's not a faraway love. It's not a love that he's distant. He's like, he didn't just create you and said, okay, you're on your own. He truly loves you and has a heart for you. And he's a good father and loves you as a daughter. And so I'm just going to pray that you would receive a father's love. And so God, I thank you for my viewers. God, I thank you, God, that you love them so much, and that your heart is tender towards them, God. And some of them have never known your love before, but I pray that would change today. I pray that would change right now, God, that you would right now, that their hearts would be open to you and you pour your love into their hearts. God, I thank you that you're a good father and that there's no one compared to you. And God, we just thank you for who you are and how much you love us, God, and that we don't have to deserve your love or try to earn your love, that it's already available to us. You'll never increase or decrease according to what we do, whether right or wrong. In Jesus' name, amen. All right, I hope you... I struggled to feel loved. I mean, my parents love me, but parents aren't perfect. There's always something that happens or brokenness that happens or whatever. And I just never felt good enough or loved enough by the world or by people. But man, when God came into my life, my world just changed, and I feel like a daughter of a king. I feel like cared for and loved and adored, and that I don't have to earn his love. So I just pray that that would be for you as well. All right, so guys, that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll check you on the next video. Bye!